Hey guys, it's Sydney here, and in this video I'm going to share with you everything that I know about the Magick link. I know that there are so many people out there are advertising it wrong, so it's really easy to get confusing, and you need to watch this video closely because it will help you to save your time to decide whether you want to go with this or not. If you look at the sales page, it's really eye-catchy. When you can make your first commission in 48 hours and it is 100% guaranteed. How can they make that, right? And also they said a lot of things about you can make money by just for someone click on your Magick link, and commission are paid out daily. Is that possible, right? Of course, this part where it say you will not need to put your face on the video or there's no technical skills necessary. This part is not really true because you need to learn some tech skill to put everything together and to make it work. So what exactly is the Magick link? You will buy the Magick link for $7 and you will see something like this. It's your Magick link. When you get into your OLSP system and you will see the list building and Magick link, you can get access to the product. You see on the top here is your Magick link, and also the training, how to set it up and running. Remember, you cannot promote the Magick link sales page itself unless you are a team builder. So what is this Magick link for? You have this Magick link and this works like this. When someone click on this link, it will send them to a different offer, and most of the offers are from Warrior Plus. Look at this link, it will change. You see that warriorplus.com, and then it changed to this link. And if you enter your Magick link several times, it will send you to a different offer in Warrior Plus. The concept here is to build a list. You need to set up your link, you will need to buy traffic, and this must be the wins traffic to build your own list, and you also need to send emails with your Magick link. Now I make this so you can see it clearer. First, you need to build a squeeze page to capture email, and you need to buy traffic from wins traffic to make this one works. You only earn the 30 cents per click if that is a click from wins solo ads. Okay, make sure you understand this. And when someone they go to the page here, they will enter their email in and they will be sent to the Magick link offer, and also they will be on your list. And this is when the magic happen. You will continually send emails to them, to your list, and in this email you will insert your Magick link, and if someone on this list they click on your Magick link in here, you will earn commissions by two ways. First, by the click that they click on, you earn 30 cents per click, and if they go to the offer like this and they buy from this, you will earn a commission. Ideally, they suggest that you should send 2 emails per day to your list like this, and to make this list grow, you need to continue buying wins traffic. So that is the whole idea. So basically, to earn from the Magick link, you will need to build a list, and you earn 30 cents per click, and you earn from the commission that they buy from your link. On the sale page, it also says that you are getting 100 clicks to your Magick link for free, and you are 100% guaranteed to make commissions with this bonus. You know, if you want to get this 100 clicks for free, you have to set up with TD Pages. It's the page builder by the OLSP system. You have 14-day free trial, but after that it will be $47 per month. And you also need to set up your GetResponse. This one has 30 days free trial. And if you want to order that 100 free clicks bonus, you need to set this up. Okay? But after that, you don't have to use these tools at all. So you can have another option, which is use hithanhdotcom because it's free. It can host up to 2,000 contacts. And from that, you can start buying from Wins traffic. To buy Wins traffic, I will show you the price. You can go to your OLSP system dashboard and you click on buy traffic on the left side here. And from there, you will see this is the price for the clicks. For 100 clicks, that is $90, and 200 clicks and up to 5,000 clicks. You can see the price here. I see that many people have great results with this Magick link. You see, they earn commission by sending traffic to the Magick link with the way that I share with you. And a lot of people are making good commissions with the Magick link. It's require investing in traffic, and also you need to consistently send out emails. With this method, you don't need to show your face, and what they say here is true. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to become a public figure. You don't need them to buy anything because you earn from the clicks. Of course, if they buy, you can earn more with that. But I see the number one mistake that many advertisers are doing is wrong, is they tell you that you can earn 30 cents per click for every click that is sent to your Magick link, but it's not true. It only works for Wins traffic. So for $7, you get your Magick link here, and you also get the training for the Magick link. You will learn how to set up your autoresponder, how to add your Magick link, how to set up a squish page that's work, and you also get the email swipes. They already have the emails done for you, email copy right here that you can use to send to your list. So everything is done for you. To me, I think this is a good deal and people are making money with it, so I will definitely work with it more in the future because this requires investing, so many of you might consider working with it. But if you have the capital, this is a great way for you to start making money online without showing your face, without building your brand, and it's just a really great way, okay? So that's it for this Magick link video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you like my videos, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sydney from hithanhdotcom, and bye bye.